In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Crypto.com wallet address on a desktop. Understanding how to navigate these steps is crucial for securely managing your cryptocurrency transactions, and today I'll guide you through each stage in a clear, concise manner. First, let's get started by heading over to the Crypto.com website. Open your favorite web browser and type in the address webcrypto.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a variety of options, but what we want to focus on is the top menu. This is where you'll locate the deposit feature, which is the starting point for accessing your wallet address. Click on the deposit option. This button is typically located in a prominent position to ensure it's easy to find, representing a gateway to managing your assets efficiently. Once you've clicked on deposit, you'll be prompted to select the cryptocurrency you want to manage. This list is comprehensive, covering a wide array of digital currencies, so make sure you choose the correct one that you plan to work with. It's essential to take your time here because selecting the wrong cryptocurrency might lead to errors in transactions, and nobody wants their funds going astray. After you've selected your desired cryptocurrency, the next critical step is to choose the appropriate network. This network selection ensures that your transactions are processed smoothly without any hitches. Different cryptocurrencies may operate on different networks, so selecting the correct one is key to avoiding unnecessary fees or lost transactions. Always double check this choice to match the specific crypto you're dealing with. Now, with your chosen cryptocurrency and network all set, it's time to secure your wallet address. Look for the barcode icon, which will typically appear on this page. Clicking on this icon will reveal your wallet address. This address is unique to you and acts like your personal ID in the cryptocurrency world, allowing you to receive funds directly to your account. It's crucial to handle this information carefully. Remember, your wallet address is sensitive information, so avoid sharing it publicly or with untrusted sources. Always verify addresses meticulously before proceeding with any deposits or sharing them for transactions. Copy the address carefully by clicking on the copy button if available, or manually double-checking if you input it elsewhere. And there you have it. These easy-to-follow steps will guide you on how to find and manage your wallet address through Crypto.com. Securely managing your digital currency interactions is a skill worth honing, and by following these steps, you can confidently navigate these processes. Thanks for joining this instructional session, and continue to explore more about managing cryptocurrency efficiently and securely.